Right, if your washing machine is smelling, then it's usually because it's got bacteria in it. Now the main place where bacteria gets is in your seals around here. I just recently cleaned mine, so it ain't too bad, but it was pretty bad. It was getting bad anyway. So check all around there, clean it with wipe it all out, all the gunge, and then wipe it round with bacteria killer, bleach, whatever. And then the second place I'll find it is behind here. If you look behind there, I ain't done mine for a while, so you can see it's already starting to go a bit dark and mouldy. So that's the second place where it can start to smell. Don't drop your tray and don't force it back in. You have to press this button to take it in and out. Right, I forgot a screwdriver, but a spoon will do. So you pop this off, and then, sorry, I didn't say that on there, didn't I? Basically, you got 2 points, you pop it off here, here, and there's your third point, so you got 3 points. And then it should just pull off, and you got this lint filter here. So you wouldn't do that. Obviously, it's got to be empty, and there's still water in it, so I'm not gonna. If you've got water in it, you can just use your tray to catch the water. It usually just fills it. So obviously, there's your lint filter. It could have something mouldy and horrible in there, so it's another possible point where it can start to smell. And then finally, once you've cleaned all that out, put some bleach in there, in one of your detergent trays, and then put it on the hottest wash. So on this one it'd be cotton intensive or 60 degrees, and then let it go through a full cycle with bleach in it. Don't put too much bleach in that, otherwise it really does foam up. 60 millilitres they usually recommend. So this is a 750 millilitre drum, so it's hardly any, about that. So I suppose I'm going to have to do a wash now, so I'll turn it on. Cotton intensive. That ain't very good, so I'll put it on that one. Start. Right, that's it.